Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Stacy here again. I especially welcome you all to another episode of unboxing and reviewing, guys. Today is not going to be about Shane, it's going to be about Zalando products, okay? So guys, in case if you are wondering what I have right here, Kendrick is on my back, okay? So this guy doesn't want me to create my content in peace, so I said why not, then you are going to go right there. So I had to put him on my back to be able to create this video for you guys. All right, so guys, I ordered some products from Zalando. So for the styling of you guys know I'm into bridal hair and all that, though I'm still trying to learn more of bridal hair, okay? So not the traditional okuku that I normally do. So now I'm into bridal hair, like for your white wedding, to style your hair and all that. So I used to have a stretcher, like, you know, when you're doing bridal hair, guys, you need stretcher, a good one at that, to be able to work on your bride's hair and all that, and probably a coiler to be able to coil the hair in case if you want to bring out one or two from the front. So that's it, guys. So I saw these good sales, guys, on Zalando, and I was really happy with the sales. So this is it, guys. The package came already, and I said let me share it with you guys. Let's unbox and see what's in here, okay guys? So I'm just going to unbox it. I don't really want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to go in and unbox. Let's see what we have right here. Yeah, so I've been able to take this out, guys. Guys, I saw a wristwatch that was also on sale, so I got the wristwatch. You won't believe the price I bought this wristwatch. Okay, so let's just go in and unbox everything together. So guys, this is how it looks. I'm just going to break them out one after the other. So let's go with this one first. Yeah, so this is it. I don't really know about this product, like I've not used it before. In case you've used it, how is it pronounced? Is Remington? Hope it's correct, guys. Remington, right? I hope it's pronounced properly. So this is it. I think this is the yeah, keratin protect coily tongue. So let's just see how it looks, guys. Let's unbox this together. I'm so happy. So how you are doing, guys? The weather here is really hot, but I don't know, I kind of prefer summer to winter, because I'm not really, I don't know, I don't like cold. I don't know about you guys, but for me, even when the sun is really hot, I kind of still prefer it to cold, to winter. Guys, the packaging is really nice, okay? So this is the manual. Yeah, right here we've got another manual. What's this, guys? I think it's a bag, kind of, I don't know. Wow, guys, it came with like a bag. It's really nice. Like, this is super cute, guys. Take a look. So guys, the good thing about this thing, I won't lie, this says, you can see, guys, I'm sweating. So the weather is really hot. The good thing about this coily tongue, you can see, guys, wow, it's lovely. Like the color is brown, it's really nice. See, wow, this is gorgeous, guys. So when I use it for my bride's hair, guys, I'm going to come back and leave a good review about it, if it's good or not. As you can see, I have cornrows else I would have said, okay, let me just try it with my hair, plug it, and then probably bring out one, then try it for you guys to see. But I have a bridal work pretty soon, and then I'm going to come back to tell you guys about this coily top. But for now, it looks really nice, guys. This was I think the initial price was 59.99. okay, let me just say 60 euros. Okay, then for sales price I bought it at 20 euros, guys. You won't believe that. The sales was really amazing. Okay, so that's for the coily top. This is really nice, guys. As you can see, I love it. What do you guys think? So if you know you've used this if you've used product from Remington, I hope I'm actually pronouncing this name right. Okay, Remington. Yeah, it's Remington. I think I'm right. But if you know that's not the right way to pronounce it, you can help out. So, but for now, I'm pronouncing according to how it's spelled. So that's for that. I'm going to bring out, whoa, okay, it's the manual. So I'm just going to drop this right here, then bring out the other one. Let's see. So guys, next on the list is this, same from Remington, guys. So I saw this stretcher because I was really in need of stretcher because I will soon be going for a bridal work, like I said earlier. So then I saw this stretcher. The price was super cool. Okay, it was 80 euros, the original price. So but I got it for 30 euros. Yeah, it was 30 euros. So the both of them I paid 50 euros. So instead of probably 130 or 140, okay, difference. So this is the stretcher. The good thing about it, guys, it has a mini bag, it has a airbrush, mirror, 2 hairpin. Then let's just see how it looks, guys. Whoa. Guys, I'm sweating, probably because you know I'm also carrying Kendrick on my back, so I guess that's why I'm really sweating so much. This is kind of difficult to bring out, just doing it way. Guys, I told you before, I'm not really good with unboxing. Okay, I just do it anyhow I like. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Okay, let me just bring our inside. Okay, the manual as well. We don't have anything inside, so let's just go see the product. First, we are going to go into the bag and see what's inside. Guys, what is this? Take a look at the, is this one for like what? Guys, what kind of mirror is this one? This one is to check one eye or the both eyes. These people, they are really funny. What I can't even no, this one is terrible. Like this one looks like a microscope, like when you want to check something. I think this one is microscope right here because I'm looking at myself. The size of my eye, guys, is as big as, I don't know, big drum. Okay, I think this is the normal one. The other side is mirror microscope. I don't know if that makes sense. So, guys, you can imagine. I think this one is for baby. What's this? For the mirror is enough for me. 0. Okay, let's see the pin. Okay, so guys, let me just keep the mirror right here. Yeah. Oh, this one is okay. So when you want to style your bride's hair, just use this one to hold this like. So the good thing is they brought 2. Okay, this one is really nice. Okay, this one is a pass mark. Okay, so let's check the what's next. Guys, it's a mini brush, but it's cool. Okay, when you are traveling, this one you can just put in your handbag. Okay, for the brush is a pass mark as well. What do you guys think? But for that mirror, no, that one is it. You can see, guys, I have white feet. If I want to look at myself, I just have to do like this. Like, that mirror is a no for me. But this airbrush is cool, guys. This one is just portable mini airbrush, like when you are traveling and all that. So this one will be really good in case I'm going for outside jobs and all that. This one is pass mark as well. So then for the bag, guys, wow, like the color of the bag is really nice. It's beautiful. It's gray. So the bag is super cool. It's really nice, guys. Take a look. Guys, I'm sweating. Okay, so this is inside the bag. The bag is a pass mark as well. Okay, I can just pour my product inside, like for hair, and put the closure glue, the hairpin, the mini brush. Like this one is really nice for bridal hair outside job. Okay, so this is really nice. It's a pass mark as well. So let's go to the May stretcher. So guys, this is beautiful. Like I said, guys, the original price of this Remington stretcher is worth 80 euros. Okay, so it's not just I don't know how to say it, but it looks cool. Okay, so until I try it, I won't be able to see any review about it. But for the look, the way it is, guys, it looks cool. Okay, the first impression, it looks really good. Okay, so and the color is nice as well. So guys, it has this right here, then the name is right here. So as you can see, so this one, it rotates. Okay, it's nice. But I'm going to come back, guys, for the review of this hair stretcher and that coiler. Okay, so that's all for the products. If you've used this Remington product hair stretcher before, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to know about it if their products are really nice. But from the place I bought this one, guys, they had so many hair stretcher, okay, so many products that they were all cheaper than this one. Okay, so but when I saw this one and they were on sales, I was like, oh wow, this is really cool. So I had to pay 30 euros instead of 80 euros. So that's it, guys. So let's move over to the last on our list today, which is the wristwatch. So guys, this wristwatch, it was I bought it on sales as well. The initial price was 25 euros. Yeah, 26 euros. Was it 26 euros? Yes, 25 euros 99 cents. So literally that's 26 euros. So it's from Eve and Hod. Okay, so I'm just going to check. So right there. So guys, this is beautiful. Guess how much I paid, oh guys, for this. Like I said earlier, the original price was 25.99, but I bought it at 6 euros. You won't believe it. I paid 6 euros for this. 6 euros. Probably when I'm editing, guys, I'll just place the picture somewhere up there so that you see the wristwatch and the price I bought it. So 6 euros, and this is gorgeous. Take a look. It's something like what I have here, but this one, the top has gold color. Okay, see, and it has this, see. So I'm just going to try it for you guys to see. So guys, take a look. This is really nice. You can see this is just too gorgeous for €6, guys. Take a look. So I paid €6 for this. €6 instead of €26. They removed €20, so I paid €6. This is super gorgeous, guys. For that price, for €6 is super gorgeous. Even for the €26 as a whole, is still super gorgeous. Just take a look, guys. Can you see it? It's beautiful. So all right, guys, that's all for today product unboxing. I thank you guys for everything that you are doing. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the comments. I just can't love you guys less. Okay, so guys, I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Probably it's going to be my makeup. Guys, my birthday is coming up and it's on the 21st of August. I'm planning to go on live on YouTube, kind of do a birthday video, because I literally don't have anywhere I'm going to, but I'm planning, or I'm thinking of just going live and doing some makeup video. I don't know, but I will keep you guys posted. And don't forget to wish me happy birthday. Okay, 21st of August is my birthday. Thank you all for the love and support. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys.